All right, there goes the CSX freight train that I hear with the K5HL train horn. But anyways, this is gonna be a 2025 revisit of this old vintage Westbrook elevator at the Imagination Station Museum in downtown Wilson, North Carolina. I already got a good video of this elevator years and years ago. Still got the same cab as I remember. B. Gosh, those doors are loud. Looks like one's burned out on the indicator. All right, I want to start the generator up. This is an old Westbrook elevator. Installed in 1962. These are your fixtures. It should wind down just a little bit. I might also have to wait a little bit. One does work. Oh, okay, I didn't see that. Epic generator starting up. The door slams loud. All right, we're gonna go ahead and end the video and leave because I got a train to catch. So anyways, all right, should close up. There it goes, and that's it.